Leadership as a language. There is power in what we say and what we don't. According to David Marquet, leadership is a language that is hidden in communication. Leadership is fluid, dynamic, ever-changing, and not static. There is no single prescribed solution for addressing leadership problems. Continuous research, adjusting to situations, practical applications, and effective execution are key to effective leadership. As the workplace evolves, specific characteristics are essential for effective leadership. These include leaders as agents of change, agile and able to manage change. Employee is a priority. Take care of your employees and they take care of your business. Leadership is inclusive. No longer hierarchical, traditional leadership is obsolete. Shared accountability. Everyone must understand and accept being part of the narrative. There is a new vernacular, standard vocabulary, and the organization's business transformation vision. An evidence-based survey conducted by Workstars listed, among other reasons, a lack of appreciation, relationship issues with management, lack of engagement, and unhappiness at work as the primary reasons why employees quit. Statistics shared here indicate that 66% of employees quit if they feel undervalued and underappreciated. New studies show 8 in 10 millennials quit for the same reasons. 79% voluntarily left their jobs because of their bosses, not the job itself. 59% of engaged employees are less likely to seek out new job opportunities. This is because of loyalty building up through continuous engagement. Leadership, therefore, is about taking responsibility for how our actions and words affect the lives of others. Here are 10 phrases to avoid when speaking to employees. 1. I am the boss. Do what I tell you. This is a result of unclear instructions. You are wasting my time. This has been tried before. Phrases like these shut down initiative and innovative thinking. Always consider a new perspective and show appreciation. I am disappointed in you. This phrase is demeaning, condescending, and makes employees feel like children. If you need to use this statement, please provide specific details. I have noticed that some of you are consistently coming late to work. You all need to make sure you do what it takes to be on time every day. This is problematic if it is shared with everyone via email or at meetings. Jeff Miller refers to this as using the shotgun feedback. You don't need to understand why we are doing it this way. You just need to trust that your leadership will always do the right thing. Employees often feel disrespected when spoken to in this manner. Their thoughts matter. Involve them. You are lucky you have a job. If an employee is experiencing performance issues related to taking on new tasks, please refrain from threatening them. Instead, you'll need to understand the underlying problems. Ask questions such as, what is preventing you from doing this? Why did you do it that way? Why didn't you do it this way? It can be a powerful motivator if used properly, and a demotivator if not. Support employees by using the phrase, how may I support you? I am excited to announce ABC, and I have worked hard, long hours to get this prepared for viewing. This often occurs in meetings when leaders want the credit instead of the employees who did the job. Please refrain from taking credit for an employee's work. Could you give credit to the team person who did the job? Nice job today. This is vague and too generic. Be specific. Vacation? Didn't you take a vacation? Why do you need to go on vacation again? This statement makes employees feel guilty even if they are entitled to it. See this from the work-life balance perspective and encourage them. Finally, employees should feel free and safe enough to share their ideas. If an organization enforces the belief that personnel are not allowed to ask questions about their work, it creates doubts and fear among its employees. Leaders must push for a more open communication system. Your leadership style will be shown in the language you use. Good leaders do not impose their ideas on their team members. Instead, they encourage them to generate original ideas. Collaboration not only provides a more accurate sense of reality, but also facilitates better decision-making. Proper communication makes a big difference in a team. Language changes can make workplaces safer and increase worker productivity.